Sorry, folks. I had to switch hands and there was a neighbor coming out their driveway. She pulled over and said I had quite the handful. Come on. They must be up here camping. There's a lot of campsites around here. Oh, you know. Stay. Halt. That's why it looks so close. I had to move it out. Durr. Figured it out halfway through my walk. Come on. No. Come on. Trying to keep it focused on my dogs. Because I'm passing people's homes and driveways. And I want to keep their privacy. It's only respectful. Come on. Rhea, come on. We're almost to the second bend in the road. So we might turn around up here. Halt. I have to stop it again.